No, it's on here, dude.
So up next is Jordan's one-man fight, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, you saw that. Never mind. All right. Chance asked me to do something, just to let you know, we're not hitting each other. We're not hitting each other. We're not hitting it. Sorry. That's weird. Anyway. What a basic nap is, when it comes to a slap, like this. Ah! Well, what you would do for a nap is like this. Not like this, like I just did. But, co-workers. Told you. It's alright. This always happens, alright? Like I said, it's all fake. It's all pretend. Except for my face. It actually hurt. But for swords is a different matter. With the swords being metal? Metal. They actually make the clinking sounds. On guard. Oh, okay. All right. Get back up then. Get back up. Oh, you're in this one now. I see. Look, you can't switch like this. Repeat up. It's all right. Oh, pretend. Staged combat. Staged. Now, if I took off my glasses, which if I took off, that's weird. It's all pretend. Ow. That's stage combat. That is stage.